Hello everybody, this is a Fishman guitar tuner that comes with a Fender guitar. These are just volume controls for the pickup. The input jack is over here and the battery goes over here. I'll show you the battery right here. It uses 9-volt battery. 9-volt. And there's a sign in the bottom which one is plus, which one is positive, which one is negative. Right here. Hope the camera can pick it up. So battery has positive, negative. So let's line that up. Push it in. Lock it. Okay. Now we're done with the battery. Now we can turn the guitar tuner on. So to turn it on, you just push this little button here, tiny little button, and now the green light went on. All right, let's check the strings. E is tuned. A is a little bit high. D is tuned. G is low. Oh no, tuned. Sorry. B is tuned. So both green light it means it's tuned. E is low. Oh, no, it's tuned. Okay, the thing is not picking it up right away. The guitar tuner, that's tuned. So the only one that's not tuned is the A. So we play with that one. Something wrong with this one here because it went down to G. So let me tighten this. It's telling me to sharpen it, but there you go. Tune. Now A is tuned. E is now off. Now it's tuned. So basically, it's close enough. It's good enough. As long as it's not that bad. The range is not that bad as long as you're close to the tuning, the actual tune. So E is tuned now, A is tuned, D is tuned, G is tuned, B is tuned, E was now not tuned again. And now it's tuned. It's kind of weird how he does that though. Anyway, when you're done tuning, make sure you push this button, otherwise it'll drain your battery. So just push that. Now it's not really like tuning anymore. Now you're okay. Alright, so that's how you use the Fishman built-in guitar tuner for a Fender. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.